We divide 805 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 0 and it is 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 5 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So 805 divided by 5 is 161. So this much for today and thanks for watching.